I am going to be best friends with Eric. Eric, is that really you?
Yes, it's me. I can't believe I meet Warren Cook.
Do you want to be my best friend?
Yes, I do. High five.
Oh yeah.
Warren, you are bad boy idiot. You should be grounded. You suck. That's it. I will slap and push you.
What?
Hey, nobody messes with my friend like that. So shut your mouth and keep your hands off of him.
And who are you to stop me?
I'm Eric. I will kick your butt for talking back to my friend Warren Cook. So you better apologize to Yukon for assaulted him.
Never.
That's it. I'm kicking you all the way to Chinatown. There you go. Don't worry, you'll be never have to worry about that stupid women never again.
Good. Let's play. When Warren got home.
Warren, how dare you become best friends with Eric? That's it. You are grounded for 1,234,567,890 months. Go to your room now.
What? Meanwhile at Eric's house.
Eric, how dare you become best friends with Warren Cook, talked back to a lady, and kicked her to Chinatown. First of all, I hate Warren Cook and you cannot talk back to people because you're only 14 years old. That's it. You are grounded even longer. You are grounded for 105 quadrillion 10 trillion 50 billion 10 million 5,000 months. Go to your room right now. What?